Hey, so I just wanted to make this quick video as a testimonial to Brent Daniels and Wholesaling Inc. in general. Um, it's been a crazy experience. It's been a lot of ups and downs, but the one thing that stayed constant and what pushed me through was kind of listening to their advice. I mean, it was all about just sticking to the phones, continue calling, even though you might be down, might be up, regardless, it's the consistency that matters through all that. And that's really honestly been my experience. I've been doing it for a year and a half and a year and a half plus, and I've just been kind of cold calling. Last month, I just hit my biggest month, and it was from cold calling. Literally like a 30-day turnaround. The seller wanted to go, had like a lowball price to be out of the gate. I didn't even have to negotiate, and I made a pretty big check. I mean, it was a six-figure check. So, uh, I mean, I wouldn't have had that conversation. Wouldn't have had that experience without listening to the lessons from Wholesaling Inc. and from Brent Daniels teaching us about how to cold call and set up the call right and approach the seller with the right tone and mimicking their voice, and all those things played into the success I've had so far, and I hope for many more deals. And yeah, Brent is the truth. Thanks, man.